Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, we are on a 2019 Ford Flex proximity key. It is the surfboard key. The programming slot is right here. It's pretty obvious. Key slides right into it. We're going to do automatic. I'm on the Autopropad, just what I use for Ford. Automatic search. If we push the button right, it is a smart key. Man, you're sensitive today. I love the Autopropad, but unfortunately it is the hardest one to see. Get the hazards going, wake the car up. Alright, I'm going to read the number of keys. I don't normally, but on a Ford, there it is. Smart key max on Fords is 4. So you got to know if you're already at 4, and then you're going to have to start back over from 0. And of course, Ford keys are reusable, so you can just use one of yours because they do need 2. If you were at 4, you just do all keys lost, use just another key, and then put it back because they're reusable. 10-minute wait. That's why I use this, because it usually gets me around it. We'll be back in 10.
All right, as you see, we waited our 10 minutes. Of course, we got the key in the pocket. Came back, key programming successful. The current number of keys is 4. Would you like to program the next one? No. Programming is complete. We wouldn't be able to program the next one because there's already 4 on the car. So let's see if she cranks. She does crank. Then turn our flashers off, turn that off. And I just want to check our remote. Remote works, looking good. Let's close the door. See that remote start work. And we are done with another one. On to the next.